Namaskaram. Hello and welcome, hardworking individuals. So, why did Bangladesh Prime Minister Tariq Rahman reaffirm that they are going with Teesta River Project of China, denying India's offer? And what about the Ganga Water Treaty of India and Bangladesh, which is going to expire in December 2026? And few Bangladeshi experts say that it is going to be more crucial than the Teesta River Project. Let's understand this and see both the sides of the coins. So first and foremost, when you talk about this Teesta River project, Teesta River actually originates in Sikkim. Obviously, that is in India, and it flows towards West Bengal and then it goes into Bangladesh. You need to understand one thing, that it's a seasonal river. So obviously, it's a rain fed, it depends upon the rain, and there is this issue with it. What is the issue? First and foremost, there are two major challenges. Number one, severe flooding during the summer. So when there is this monsoon, there is this rainy season, there will be a lot of water. That water cannot be controlled. And then the time when there is no rain, there is extreme drought. So water scarcity is seen at that time. Now China comes with a possible solution. There is this Tista River Comprehensive Management and Restoration Project, and in this, where both the Prime Minister of Bangladesh and at one side you have China's Xi Jinping have come to a decision and seven objectives for the Tista River Comprehensive Management. Few of them are river regime control, flood control, also the felicitation of navigation, restoration of water system, and so on and so forth. It is not going to be just building a dam, but they are also planning to widen and deepen the river bed somewhere around dredging over 100 kilometers, constructing strong embankments, building network of inland reservoir to store the excess water. Now this would theoretically prevent the flooding that happens quite frequently in Bangladesh. Now, there is this India's concern here. And what is India's concern? Very simply, India always thinks about its Siliguri Corridor, also known as the chicken neck, that what if China comes near this somewhere around, as in this case China will be somewhere around 20 to 22 kilometers away if they have this Tista River project working on. And India always have this feeling that the Chinese spies or the Chinese military can take advantage of it for knowing the map, the terrain, the continuous monitoring of the sensitive Indian military movements, also gathering the strategic intelligence, and potentially there is this threat always looming over India, that what if China cuts off the Siliguri corridor? But that's not going to be that easy, but then you always have to be prepared for the worst. Now, if you talk about this India's hydropolitical leverage that India is having here, that is needed to be understood. What is that? The Tista River, as I have said you at the beginning, originates in Sikkim, and India controls 83% of the river's entire drainage basin. So, what does it mean? It means that the 83% of the river control lies with India. Now, as you can understand, if in 83 is with India, 17% goes with Bangladesh. Now if India controls the river flow, the upstream infrastructure like the Gajal Doba barrage in West Bengal, experts note that with China can build the world's best reservoir, it can build the world's best canals, world's best dams, but it cannot generate water. Now what if India decides to restrict the water flow during the dry winter months, or increase its own consumption? The massive Chinese built reservoir dry system, it will dry up. It is not going to work without the water. Also, there is one more side to the story. This Tista River project is going to help the people in North Bangladesh. But for the people in South Bangladesh, there is this Ganga Water Treaty. Now, the historic 30 years Ganga Water Treaty was signed between India and Bangladesh in 1996, and it is set to expire in December 2026. Now, the southwestern region of Bangladesh depends entirely on the Ganga for its agriculture, drinking water, and economy. By the way, they name it as Padma. Okay, Ganga, when it enters Bangladesh, it becomes Padma. Now, if water flow drops below critical level during the dry season, the region will face severe droughts. So there is this issue that is going to happen, and it will be a bigger issue than Tista River, because here the people are totally dependent on the Ganga River for the economy, for the drinking water, for the agriculture. Now, if you see it in from a different perspective, what Bangladesh has said that it is going to build a Padma barrage. Now Padma, I have said you already that they name Ganga after entering into Bangladesh as Padma. Now these strategic experts like Najrul Islam, obviously he's from Bangladesh, he wants that it's like a diplomatic suicide. Why it's a diplomatic suicide? Now, if Bangladesh builds its own multi-billion dollar water security infrastructure, first and foremost, Bangladesh is investing money there. Number two, India can simply argue that Bangladesh has now built the dam. Why they need the extra water? They are already working for themselves, so they have created the infrastructure. So India can opt out of it. But if Bangladesh doesn't build the dam, there will be always a bargaining power with Dhaka that they are going to lose. Now, the future, if you talk about, Bangladesh find itself at a very dangerous geopolitical crossroad. And why are we saying that? On one side, it's getting China's lucrative loans, it's also getting the whole project, everything being built by the China. On the other side, it also has to decide the relations with India, which controls the life sustaining waters flowing into Bangladesh. Now, if Bangladesh continues to entertain Chinese presence, obviously India and New Delhi will have the security concerns. Now, to win India's cooperation and to secure a favorable water treaty, experts believe that Bangladesh will need to offer massive strategic concessions. Now, in which way it is going to go, that the future will decide. But I have already seen many Bangladeshi audiences which like to send their comments to us. I like to know from them what they think. What is Bangladesh thinking about the Ganga Water Treaty, and are they happy with the Teesta River Project? I'll really love to hear from them. And guys, if you're preparing for any exam or if it is going tough through your career, believe me, you need to be patient. You need to be working hard and don't give up. Because if you don't give up today or tomorrow, you will be successful. And if you subscribe, we'll meet again. Namaskar.